it's all white noise, swallow and be. Taking your high horse and I'll be free. 'Cause it's all white noise, swallow and be. Baby, we'll know why eventually.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Andrew and I am the Gearhead Drummer. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you know when all my newest content comes out. So, this is Brandon. He owns a car. Well, about a quarter of a car.
Half a car? 2/3 of a car.
Two-thirds of a car. A normal size car. Yeah, what is this thing?
Yeah, so this is an AutoZam AZ1. They were built by Suzuki in the early 90s and then sold by Mazda. It's a mid-engine, rear-wheel drive, little coupe powered by a turbocharged 660cc 3-cylinder. Weighs about 1,500 pounds. It's almost a complete fiberglass body. Actually, it is a complete fiberglass body. Everything that isn't glass is fiberglass.
What is this, Zach?
It's not my show.
What is happening? Whoa, I don't have glasses on. Whoa. Dude, what are you? I love the raised white letter. Well, they're not raised, but I love the white lettering, man.
Yeah, I gotta redo them.
Wait. Hold on. Wait a minute. Show Ram.
Ram off 5.7. There we go.
He's just getting groceries. He's not even here to... It's a nice one. Oh, yeah. Oh no! Oh, he stalled it! Ending the vlog here with Zach and Jay. Let's move away from this music so I don't get a copyright claim.
I'm only you after all.
I'm gonna end it here. I'm probably gonna keep trying to record, but GoPros suck ass in the dark. So if you want to see any more footage from tonight, make sure to check out Zach, because, you know, don't push your boob out like that. But make sure to check him out. Guys, if you liked the video, make sure to like, comment, definitely hit that subscribe button. Hey guys,
I will see you guys next time.
What exhaust do you have on it?
Borla long tooth. I mean BBK long tooth and mid pipe and a Borla catback.
Sounds good, man.
Thank you.
Sounds good.
But
Demon. Do a wheelie! Oh, and he short shifted too. Saturn view. Most impressive. That was a Super B. Yeah. 392 300 and a CTSV that was boring. And then truck life. Scion FRS or Toyota 86.
Yeah.
Subaru BRZ
motor.
With I'm sorry, with a what?
With a Scion TC motor.
Ooh. So how much power is this pushing?
Right now, maybe around 300 at the wheel, 300 pounds of torque. I haven't dynoed it, but you know, I'm just trying to dial it in.
Yeah. How big is that turbo?
It's a Garrett 6360.
Okay. And then, yeah, you had your computer. I didn't get it on footage. He might have. I don't think you did, but you stalled on your way in. You were tuning this thing as you drive.
It's got a fuel resume issue, and it's because I got a cheap adjustable fuel pressure regulator. So the fuel pressure likes to fluctuate at low RPMs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So as soon as I drop a little bit more cash on that, then
you shouldn't be stalling.
Yeah, I shouldn't be stalling. I won't have any fuel pressure issues.
All right, we made it to the pool hall. This is kind of how I already ended the vlog. Well, he already ended the vlog by mocking me earlier. But yeah, just quick little fun thing after, because this is what we did last time we saw each other, which was
now a routine.
This is this is how long ago was this that we saw each other last? It was last time. Yeah, that was the last time we saw each other. That's
oh, that was just the last time we were here. The Bayside meet was the last time.
Oh yeah, that's right. Last time we were in a UCM event. There we go. Last UCM event. So yeah, we just, you know, we're gonna pool it up. So I guess you're breaking first.
Disclaimer, it's been a while.
Same.
I don't know if I like this.
All right, I'm up.
Oh, you're just gonna grab it? So how do you turn this? Yeah, one for me, one for her. Thank you. Dude, this is freaking...
You're just enjoying the gimbal?
I sure am.
Yeah, you know that weird noise that you're hearing though, that just in the background? That's the gimbal, that's the motor in the gimbal. You're trying to like learn it? Ah, dang it.
Nice.
Dang it. Alright, so me and Zach are literally both garbage. When are we leaving this video, Zach?
I suck. Which one you're asking? Yes. That's your answer.
Wasn't I garbage at pool?
Yeah. Yeah.
Whatever, I'll find that clip. I'm gonna find that clip and put it in.
I'm gonna title this "I'm garbage at pool." We're gonna have the meat and everything. It's just, I'm garbage at pool.
And have it be that, laughing at you.
I'll put a picture of just a trash can. Maybe if we don't have a beast.
Oh! I was just trying to hit it so I wouldn't scratch.
No, I got tape ball left.
I was just trying to hit that so I wouldn't scratch. I wasn't even trying to make it in. Wait, that pocket.
Should do that more often.
That pocket. What I just did?
Yeah. Trying to scratch.
That pocket.
That's all I'm thinking about right now.
Trying to be successful. It's good. Damn it. Damn it.